Hey everyone, today we're checking out the WEAWE Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. A pack of 50 ultra-soft, highly absorbent rags perfect for any cleaning task. These cloths are 8 times more absorbent than cotton and can last over 1,000 washes, making them incredibly durable and efficient. They are lint-free, non-scratch, and safe to use on all surfaces, from countertops to electronics. Made with 85% polyester and 15% polyamide, they meet high environmental and safety standards without harmful chemicals. These versatile cloths work great for dusting, scrubbing, polishing, and drying in your home, office, or car. Plus, they dry quickly and are easy to care for, helping you clean smarter, not harder. With a unique manufacturing process, they resist fading and keep your spaces sparkling every time. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.